Oh, sorry. Okay. I had the sound off. I'm sorry. Wow, that's a big drop. Jesus, everything went south. I mean, we don't have any. Thank you, Ben. Um, let's see what's. Okay, we have a lot of news today. But it's 10:10, now 10:08. We have 10:10, 10:15, 10:50. There's a lot of news today. This drop was very fast for scalping. This was very fast. Well, the 5 minutes does not take too much trade on the scalping, but if you switch it to tick chart, you will have more. You will have more trades. On the YM, I'm using 150 ticks. minutes when the swing trading. This drop with the market has put everything off, so we're waiting. The Nasdaq got caught between those support resistance, so we're waiting to see if this market getting adjusted. The scalper took a long trade. Reversing the market short. This market, look at those bars on the ES. It's a really big chop. Look at this. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's really nasty. The Nasdaq also, it was big bars today. Very big bars. We're climbing to target 2, profit, target 3, profit taken again on target 3, 21,632. The ES, there is a projection at 59.56, so be careful. You know, when the market, from the data, I don't know where the news came from, but the market it dropped and caused a little off the market, and now we are recovered from this drop in the market. So we are 1,887 on the ES. The Nasdaq we still on 2,300. I'm using the 5 minutes, less volatility on the 5 minutes. It's not like a very active trade on 5 minutes. It's a little bit conservative. And the YM is 990, and I have one swing trade in here. It's right in the middle. Maybe we separate the swing trade in from scalping, and those are scalping, and this is swing trading. The swing trading has not took any trade yet. After this drop, it closes. So let's see what happened. We are hitting target 3 on the Nasdaq. Profit taken on target 3. Target 3 on the Nasdaq is 21,634. Now we are 2,262 plus on the scalper. The Nasdaq 5 minutes has not taken a trade. The YM has not been taking trade, and the swing trading took a long trade. So we're doing fine. We are okay. I mean, this is very good. 2,200 for a day like this on in the market. That's really good. And 2,300 for the Nasdaq. That's really good. Most likely we will be hitting the target 3, which is the final. The market is between those two yellow lines. This means there is no more long trade. And the final target for this morning for the ES, it is 59.62. 59.62. This is your morning target for today. And it's between the two yellow lines. This means there is a reversal. And the Nasdaq already hit target 3. And there is not much going on, and now we broke this line, so there is only short trades from now on the Nasdaq. Let's see if it goes below the 21,593. That means there is no more long trades on the ES, so you have to be careful with the and this one we're gonna close it. It don't seem like it's gonna do it. We close this. There is not much going on in the market. We'll wait. On the 5 minutes scalper, we got $500, and we already have 2,300, and we started at 8 o'clock. We started at 8 o'clock, so this is really, really good. The ES now we are 2,487, and I made like $1,000 when we started the webinar, because it was around 1,400. Plus it had a very too nasty bad trade, because the market switched on us here out of nowhere. It dropped and come back, and that put us off a little bit with the P&L, but it should have been much more. I'm gonna stop the ES at 3,000 and scalping, and it was a beautiful trade. Reversed the market, and then what is nice, what I really like it, when the market is flat, the Autotrader did not take any trade. He skipped that part here. This is the worst nightmare for trade. So this is really good. And the Nasdaq at this moment is on 2,300 plus 700. This is really good. And the YM scalping is we have 990, and now we have 1,390. Also, this is really good. Then the scalping on the Nasdaq is about to hit $1,000. This is really good. And when it hit, I'm gonna maybe close it. I'm gonna close it. I closed it, and now we have, and let it, when you close it like this, you still can trade. There is no big deal. The auto trade did not stop. And now we have 3,130. I just managed to take the profit out. You can do that sometimes if you want to. And now we are on the scalper 2962 and 3,130. So we are missing one more trade to finish the ES for the morning session, and it's really good, despite today was a little bit hard with the trading. So we are still missing one trade. Let's take a swing trading on the ES. The ES today outperformed Nasdaq. The ES swing trading, we have 825 on the swing trading, and it seems like we're gonna close the 3,000 on the scalping. This is perfect. I always hate the last trade. Always hate the last trade. I think we've done it. This is it. We're gonna close it. Recalculating. Here it is. We crossed the 3,112 on the ES scalping, and on the Nasdaq 3,130. This is not bad at all for a day like this. And the YM 1,390, and you can use the micro account if you want to. And this is perfect. This is perfect. So let's look at the market. We are done. The 6,000 just on the ES and Nasdaq scalping. This is very good for a day like this. And here we are done, and it hit target 3, profit taken. There is nothing left. And as we said, there is a resistance line at 59.60. The ES is struggling to climb. He will climb to the 59.62. He will, but there is nothing left after that. So you have to be careful with the ES. Once he's going to do it. Usually those targets hit at 11 o'clock plus minus 10 minutes. Now it's 10:49, and we still have 11 minutes to hit the target 3. It is around 3 o'clock they hit the target 3 or 2, plus minus 5-10 minutes. So Profit taken on target 3. It hit at 10:52. Normally they hit around 11 o'clock. Profit taken on target 3. And there is nothing left for the morning session. It is finished. It hit. Be careful, there is no long trade on the ES anymore. We're done, and now it's going to be sideways for another hour. There is not much left in the trade, so I think we did very well, and let's see if the Nasdaq will take one more trade. Profit taken on target 3, and now it's 10:56, and it's between those two yellow lines. So from now on, if you are an advanced trader, you start looking for a short trades. It's finished, and we'll stay a couple more minutes to see what happened. Also, if you think the 100 tick is too, on the ES, is too fast for you on the ES, you can use the 10 range, which we will be covering next webinar. If you want it to be more, I mean, like less trades, more conservative, you can use the ES on a 10 range, and you're not gonna bump into a lot of trouble. It's taking less trade, absolutely, and it's a little bit slower, and already made 2150. So there's an option you can go on 100 tick and can generate a lot of trades, or you can go on a conservative mood with the 10 range if you want to. For the Nasdaq, there is a lot of volatility. Yes, you can use any time frame you want on the Nasdaq, but I prefer on the Nasdaq. I prefer, if you want to be a little bit conservative, you can keep it like on 450 ticks, 500 ticks, or you can use 5 minutes. That will be more conservative. This is up to you. Like, if you want to take more action in the Nasdaq, you can take like 480 ticks and or 450 ticks, and if you want it to be safe, you can keep it on 5 minutes, no big deal. It's less trade, and it is much better for you if you don't know what you're doing. Folks, that's all what we have for you today. It was a wonderful day, and we'll see you another time. Thank you very much. Bye for now.